Now was welcome Simon Trevor.
Nice at the back, and I like that energy for the day. There was a statistic that was mentioned. And the one there is the and I like the energy. We know all of the 7 counties of this country are accessible.
So in care psychiatry, it will help us deliver the services that we need to get to our patients outside the hospital setup. We don't need them to come here. Remember, we are always talking about stigma, discrimination, all this. We talk about them so much.
Mental health is a key component of overall health and well-being. Globally, 1 in 7 adolescents experience a mental disorder. Depression, anxiety, and behavioral disorders are the most common conditions. Suicidal remains a leading cause of death among youth aged 15 to 29 years.